Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news and very urgent hiring. Direct send resume hiring from top company PwC, HCLTech, Bosch India is hiring 23, 24, 25 batch pass out is eligible. Like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds. HCLTech Python support engineer is the role. Chennai, Bangalore is the location. 6 month to 2 year of experience. Direct walk-in drive at Chennai location on 13th September. You can send email. You can send directly send email to this email ID. Graduates from 23, 24 batch, degree in computer science related field, minimum 60% in all academic. Direct send apply for opportunity. Okay, Bosch India announced the graduate apprentice opportunity at Bosch Limited Jaipur plant. If you are from mechanical, mechatronics, automobile, 25 batch BTech, you can apply for opportunity. This is selection requirement. Apply for opportunity, full name, personal email ID, contact number, diploma, yes or no, class 12 percentage, BTech 4th semester, 6th semester, what's your BTech branch, any backlog, no, name of college, year of completion, why Bosch. Apply for opportunity ASAP. It's a big hiring. Thanks for watching the video.